This is my revisited Lego train ramp, or helix I think you could call it. Yeah, it's just basically a ramp to lift a train up. So there are a few structural problems when you build a helix. As you go around, if you follow the line around, I've raised it up one brick every train track piece. So I've actually put struts in every, I don't know what you call it, every eight, there's 8 of them, every 1/8 of the full rotation. So within a quarter it goes up 4 pieces. And I used a sort of twisty technique. So because I use those rotational axes on here, although that one looks terrible, doesn't it? It means that the actual track can rise up without it meaning that the support struts coming down will still go down vertically rather than diagonally. But that works fine on a straight, but on a circular piece, because it's going around, it has the effect of tilting it. Well, it doesn't have the effect of tilting it. It tilts because it's a curve going around and being raised up slowly. And that just means that these places lift off. As you can see, that's no longer vertical because it's just twisted so much. I'm not sure if you can tell by this angle. You can, it's not even touching the bottom. You can even get like pieces directly underneath it. No problems at all. So in summary, it works. It's just not structurally perfect, but I don't know if it ever will be. Lego train tracks are incredibly, they're not the most versatile pieces, but if you just want to watch as the train goes around, if you just watch this point here, see what happens when it gets to that. So that's the effect you have, is it just goes up and down like a little lever. The rest of it works fine. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it's probably as perfect as I can get it with Lego. So yeah, that is my Lego helix. Dog's still loving it.